Slim and lightweight. Simple operation. Easy sharing. For a new family lifestyle, simple for all to enjoy. The new Everio S from JVC. How do you enjoy all those great family memories? With Everio S, sharing your memories is as simple as pushing a button. One-touch upload to YouTube. Share your world with the world. Using Everio S is so simple and carefree. Just open to shoot with auto power on and off. Ready to record in 1 second, so you'll never miss a moment. Laser touch operation makes using it fun and easy. A YouTube-ready auto 10-minute recording mode is available. Catch every moment as it happens every day. Then upload it as soon as you get back home. It's a one-button operation, so anyone can do it. Press the upload button and the application launches automatically. Just a few mouse clicks and you're done. You can share the fun with a wide audience. Records on readily available SD and SDHC cards, a convenient storage solution. With Everio S, you can count on quality too. Konica Minolta lens. 35 times optical zoom. Auto illumination light. Four recording modes depending on your quality requirements. With an 8 GB card, you can record nearly 2 hours in DVD movie quality. Enjoy playback even on a big screen TV. Archiving on DVDs is easy as well. One-touch DVD creation. With the optional Share Station, you can create a DVD at the touch of a button. No PC required. Your memories can continue to grow in a neatly organized archive. Enjoy your Everio more with a variety of optional accessories. Battery packs for longer shooting time. Conversion lenses to support your creative shooting. Easy carrying with bags and pouches. And convenient accessory kits are available. Slim and lightweight. Simple operation. Easy sharing. See how it can create a new family lifestyle. The new Everio S from JVC. Simply wonderful. JVC.